What is going on, you mob? Welcome back, or welcome to my first ever YouTube cooking video. Today we're going to be cooking seafood. As you can see, I've already prepped it. Crayfish, butter, garlic and lemon. Then we have barramundi fillets. Take a look at that. With the skin on, of course. We're going to be cooking it, making it crispy. We've got some prawns here to complement the meal. And then we have yellowfin tuna right there, baby, that we're gonna be mixing with soy sauce and eating raw, sashimi. Let's go. You're coming along for the journey. This is gonna be a good one. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, boys. We're taking over YouTube. We're doing everything from vlogs to cooking to this to that. Let's go. Sheesh. All right, chat, we're just gonna put this. We got our electric frying pan. Turn that down so we don't burn the butter. Looks like we're already doing it. And then crayfish face down. Or should it be another way? What? Put the crayfish on, turn it down a little. And then we're also gonna put one of our fillets in. There. And we'll just move this over a little bit and go there. There we have it. Take a quick look at that. Take a look at that, sizzle, sizzle, baby. You could smell the smell coming off there. Brother, sizzle, hey, look, twitching. He's dancing, he's enjoying that. All right, we're gonna flip this real soon when that skin is very crispy. All right, Mo, we got this pot with water. Just gonna add a bit of salt in there, like so. And then add the prawns straight in, baby. And let them go while this fish is cooking. Looking very good, chat. Look at this, you mob. Can't get fresher than that. Drip, drip, drip. Stay tuned, we'll be plating up very soon. Look at that, you mob. Oh my goodness. Take a look at that, boys. We're on tonight. Barramundi fillets coming along very good. Prawns just about done. They're actually done. We can actually let's let that rest. And yeah, we're plating up. Right now, everything's almost done. I'll quickly make the coleslaw and we'll be plating up and we'll be giving my food a review. Stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, boys. That's done, eh? Look at that, boys. Can't complain, eh? Cannot complain about that, mate. Or would you have a look at that? Or would you friggin' have a look at that, boys? Eh? Not bad, good size. Take a look at all this lovely food, mate. Oh my days. Do we have a sneaky taste? All right, chat. We'll put some, little bit there. Let me, is that raw? Oh, by the look. Look, by the look at that. Oh my days. I'm literally the best chef that's ever landed in WA or even Australia. Matter of fact, look at this prawn head, bro. Look at the prawn head. It's a must. Mmm. Mmm. All right, chat. Excuse the mess, but we're just plating up here. Lovely barramundi fillet right there. Another one there. This here, like I said, a couple of little prawns, you know what I mean? Just to take up the gaps. Coleslaw, you dumb. Oh, am I on? Am I on? Let me make the coleslaw. Real quick. Watch me do this. Count, set a timer and action. 1, 2, 3, 4, Scissors. Scissors. Everyone had scissors somewhere. Let's go. And is there anything else in that packet? She's done, baby. So, made straight in front of your face. Put a little bit of drizzle over there. Oh my days, what do you mean, lad? One over there. Then well, chat, well, would you look at this? Like literally take a look at this. What I've just prepared in front of your eyes, sashimi, rice, coleslaw, barramundi, crispy skin fillet, prawns, lovely garlic butter, and lemon crayfish. Prawns, we got 2 plates of them, chat. Bit of rice under there as well if I didn't mention that. Right now, I think we go to the table and eat it. What do you reckon? Yes? Hit the subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button. Hey mob, take a look at this. Like I said, cooked right in front of your eyes. Gonna hit it again with some chili and garlic seasoning. It's all over like that. And then soy sauce on the sashimi. Take a look at that. Oh, would you look at that? Oh my days. Thank you very much. Bit of rice. Oh my days. Coleslaw. Let's have a go at this barramundi fillet. Oh my days, boys. Unreal. Unreal. Prawn. Look at this prawn, boys. Look at that. Lovely. Oh my God. But have a go at that, boys. Let's put some lemon on that. Yep, bit of seasoning again. I'm just gonna go straight in, boys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My gosh. I'm gonna wrap this food up. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you on the next one. What do you want to see me cook next? Or where do you want me to go? Vlogs are coming, everything's going ahead. We outside, baby. Let's go. Sheesh.